Imagine have a supercomputer at your fingerprint, ready to handle any workload, scale on demand, and run any operating system you choose. That exactly what Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine VMS offer. Hi everyone, I am Parth Ranjan from Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology, which is located at Bhopal. And today we will explore what Azure Virtual Machines are, their keys, features, and benefits, uses cases in different industries, and how to set up, manage an Azure VM. Let's get started. What are Azure Virtual Machines? In simple terms, Azure Virtual Machines allow you to run applications, host websites, and deploy software on cloud-based servers. Azure VMs are on-demand, scalable, and flexible computing resource. They allow to run Windows, Linux, custom images in the cloud. You can choose CPU, RAM, storage, and network configuration as per your needs. Azure VMS eliminate the need for physical hardware, reducing cost and maintenance. Think of Azure VMS are renting a high-performance computer in the cloud without buying the actual hardware. It's real. So, now we will start from key features of Azure Virtual Machine. Azure VMS comes with powerful features to support a different workload. First, scalability easily increase or decrease resource based on demand. Second, custom OS operating system and software. Run Windows, Linux, or a specialized environment. Third, high availability. VMS can deployed across multiple data centers for redundancy. And the fourth point, security complications. Built-in encryption, firewalls, and compliance with industry standards. So the fifth point, pay as you go pricing. You only pay for resources you use. And the sixth point, integration with Azure services. Connect with Azure storage, networking, and AI services. So Azure VMS provide the flexibility of cloud computing with enterprises grade reliability. So we start from next point, why use Azure virtual machines. So why should businesses and developers choose Azure virtual machines? Cost effective, no upfront investment in hardware, pay only for what you use. Global research, deploy applications in over 60 Azure regions worldwide. And the third point, performance and speed. Choose from basic to high performance VMS with GPUs for AI workloads. And the fifth point, disaster recovery. Backup and restore data easily using Azure Backup and Site Recovery. And the fifth point, DevOps or automation. Automate developments with Azure DevOps, Terraforms, and Ansible. Whether you are a startup or an enterprise, Azure VMS can scale with your needs. So, real world use cases of Azure virtual machines. Azure virtual machines are used across various industries, just like web hosting. Companies host their website and web application using VMS. Software development. Developer test application in different operating system environments. Machine learning and AI. AI models are trained using GPU powered virtual machines. And the gaming part, game developers are use VMS to run game servers and cloud-based rendering. So next features is big data and analytics. Business process large-scale data with high-performance VMS. Azure Virtual Machine enables business to innovate faster and reduce infrastructure cost. So our next question is how to set up an Azure virtual machine. Setting up an Azure virtual machine is quickly and easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. So the first step is logging into Azure portal and going to the portalazure.com. I again repeat, go to portal.azure.com. Then the second step is create a new virtual machine. Then select compute. Again virtual machines. Then create VM virtual machine. So the third step is choose your configuration by select operating system, CPU, RAM and storage size. Setup networking. This is a 4-step setup networking. Configure public IP and security groups and access rules. And the fifth step is review and deploy. Click create and your virtual machine will be ready in minutes. So you can also manage virtual machines using Azure CLI, PowerShell or APIs for automation. So the conclusion, here is the conclusion. So conclusion, Microsoft Azure virtual machines provides flexible, scalable, secure and cloud computing power. So run any operating system and customize your environment. Use virtual machines for web hosting, AI, gaming and data analytics. And the third point and third conclusion is scale on demand and optimize cost with pay-as-you-go pricing. If you want to move your workload to cloud, Azure virtual machines are great to choice.